Alright YouTube, this video is going to be a quick rundown of how to assemble a portable axe throwing target as designed by yours truly at Prodigious Entertainment. These are examples of targets that we use. We have them set up in a temporary spot for people to throw when we get really busy. There's a couple others that are folded up and in storage. You can see they fold fairly flat. They're about 6 inches deep and just shy of 60 inches wide, folded flat, and about 8 feet long. I have cut all of the pieces, drilled holes where necessary, and pre-staged all of the components. The plans and the design for these targets can be purchased through us, and the reason I'm building this is we have a corporate event where they wanted us to bring 6 targets. I only currently have 4, so I'm going to be assembling another 2 today, and the rest of this video is just going to be a time lapse showing the assembly of one of those 2 so that you can get an idea of how that works. Particularly, this is going to be useful for those people that purchase the plans, which will be $50. Contact us at prodigiusaf@gmail.com. Again, that's prodigiusaf@gmail.com. You can get the plans. This video will show you how the assembly works. Okay, hang on. I'm going to switch over to time lapse. This is just a quick clip of the hardware you'll need to assemble the target. You won't need all of those screws, but you will need quite a few.